Majestic golden eagle, scientifically known as Aquila chrysaetos, is a remarkable bird of prey that can be found across the Northern Hemisphere, spanning North America, Europe, and Asia. It is widely recognized and one of the most renowned and geographically widespread eagle species. Golden eagles possess a distinct appearance characterized by their dark brown plumage complemented by golden feathers adorning their head and neck. With a wingspan that can reach up to 7.5 feet (2.3 meters), they command a powerful presence. These awe-inspiring birds primarily rely on a diet consisting of small to medium-sized mammals, including rabbits, ground squirrels, marmots, as well as birds and reptiles. They are revered for their exceptional hunting abilities, often utilizing their speed and agility to capture prey either in mid-air or on the ground. While golden eagles are not considered a direct threat to humans, they are considered dangerous due to their significant size, strength, and predatory prowess. Their sharp talons and powerful beak enable them to efficiently capture and dispatch their prey. Golden eagles hold cultural and spiritual significance in many societies, and they have historically been utilized in the Asian practice of falconry. However, these magnificent birds face various threats including habitat loss, persecution, and unintentional poisoning. Conservation efforts are focused on preserving their habitats, mitigating human-wildlife conflicts, and monitoring populations to ensure their survival. As apex predators, golden eagles play a vital role in maintaining ecosystem balanced by controlling populations of prey species.